Good morning, gang, and welcome back to my mad life of all Kushti. If you are new here, you must need more money, or you don't want a boss, you want to work for yourself. You've come to the right place. If you've been following, and you know where we are, and welcome back. So I have been reselling for the past 7 weeks, done really well. I've got all of this stock down here, which is all listed. Got a box there that needs to be listed, a box there that needs to be listed, and loads more in the spare room. I've got maybe 100 things that still need to be listed. I also picked this up the other day for £3. And again, if you've been following, you'll know that this is a fucking banger. But I got this Burberry coat, okay? I got it for £3, and it is RRP £1,590. So I've got something here that I know when it sells, I haven't listed it yet, but when it sells, cash. But so far this morning, I've woken up, I've had 3 sales this morning. I've posted 2, I'm just about to do another one, I just got 1 more. I need to then go post it. So this is my bag of sales, my trusty IKEA bag. Go to the lockers, get rid of these. Then it is the gym. Today is legs and abs or core. So I'm going to do that for an hour. Then I will walk for an hour. Then I will come home. I'll do my photos and stuff as normal. I'll delete and relist a few if I can. And I will list 10 more and just keep on repeat. Keep doing this. I have uploaded, what was it I did? Oh yeah, I'll show you in here. So yesterday, so this is more of the stuff I need to list. This is all closed. There's loads in there. And this here as well. But these bits all here I've got listed and I've got already in boxes, which is brilliant. I've got a whole box of these SingStar games and it's actually performing really well on eBay. I'm sure that's going to go any day. I've got loads of David Attenborough things and just a bundle of CDs to see if I can sell it because I've never tried. I did look on Music Magpie and stuff, but none of them scanned. That's why I'm trying to sell it online. And I told you that my mate gave me 2 PlayStation 2s. What else did he give me? A Wii, loads of stuff. Anyway, I paid him 50 quid. I've already made 80. So I've made my money back and more. And he has a whole attic at his mum's house that they're trying to empty at the minute. So basically all of that stuff he's going to give to me. I need him to finish work and then tell me when I can go and help him, if that makes sense. Because he's got an actual life, whereas I have this. So hopefully today I can get some more and then I will do another car boot with it and list whatever I can online. I'm just gonna pull out my item that I need to post and I'll show you what it is because I've got loads of cool things. I've been really trying to get stuff that I really want to sell. You know, if I love the product, I'm going to love selling it. And I've got this one, which is going, a vintage kind of windbreaker shell jacket. It's just so cool. It's old school. Jordache don't even know what that is. But yeah, it's just really cool. If someone wears that to a festival or a rave, they're just going to look sick. And then I've got one of my trusty bags. And I've got the postage label because I've got my trusty machine over there. So going to package this, get my stuff together, go to the gym, and then I will come back to you, tell you what we're doing today. And I said I'd keep you up to date with the gym. So yesterday was 75.8, today was 75.3. That's still with the shoes on and holding my phone. So I don't know how much that would take off, but that's fine. Let's say half a kg or something from yesterday. And sorry about the mess, we're just sorting stuff out. Again, creatine, a little bit of pre-workout, but creatine every day. You can get gummies, but I don't trust them. I believe they're full of sugar or they don't have the actual creatine in it that it says. I've seen too many TikToks and things about it. So the powder is 100%, just get the powder. The only thing with it is it kind of sits at the bottom. And it tastes like shit at the end, so make sure you mix that bad boy up. Okay, I'm going to get my bits, go to the gym. all of my food today is going to be exactly the same as yesterday. Food doesn't change. So it'll be my egg white breakfast. I just won't have the chicken this time that you saw yesterday. Egg white breakfast, turkey, little bit of rice, sweet corn, lunch, dinner, and dessert is my protein yogurt with raspberries. And I've got peaches if I want a snack throughout the day. The best way you can do it to lose weight, just don't overdo your portions and definitely don't overdo the rice. That's where the calories are. And as long as you keep your calories right, you don't even have to go to the gym. You don't have to even get out of bed. As long as you keep your calories right and under what you're burning in the day, you'll lose weight regardless. It's easier said than done, I know, but it can be done. If I can do it, you can do it. All right, gang, that is the gym done. Oh, I'm knackered. I did just over an hour actual gym, so I did 45 minutes walk today, but I forgot my headphones like a fucking idiot, so it was really boring. I'm gonna quickly go to Lidl. I usually have that yogurt protein thing for like my snack later, but I'm gonna get one of the desserts. It's like a protein ice cream, or it might not even be protein ice cream, but it's like I think 250 or 300 calories for the whole tub, like a Ben and Jerry's tub. That's fucking awesome. So I give myself a little treat. I also need to get some more sellotape, so I'm gonna go see if they've got any cheap. Yeah, and then go home, lay down, put the football on and do some work. God, I'm sweating. I've been so tired after the gym this morning, absolutely shattered. I watched the football. I've taken photos of some clothes to list. I've only done 7. I might do more. I'll see how I get on. I'm honestly knackered. Yeah, I went and picked up some free stuff. The area I live in, I'm in a group chat and somebody was doing a garage sale, and I picked up basically like toolkits and stuff. I will take some to a car boot, but I'm looking to build a van so I can use some of it. There's a nail gun, just needs a battery. I won't really need that. I'll probably take that to the car boot, and even if I get a few quid, that's fine. And I got a sander, brand new sander, which is brilliant. I knew I needed to get one, so again, excellent stuff. There is so many ways you can make money from zero, honestly. Just put in the work, have a little look, have a research, have a Google, send some messages. You can do it. I might actually treat myself to a nap. Honestly, I'm fucked. Yeah, I'm gonna lay down and have a nap. I'll come back to you later. Today, obviously, it's the same as yesterday, really. I'll just keep updating you as I go. Tomorrow, I need to help somebody move, so I will be at 10 a.m. One of my mum's friends coming over. My car's going to be full. His car's going to be full. We're going to take that, put it into the person's house for them because they're at work, so we're just helping out. I do need to go to the tip again soon. I don't know when, but I'll figure that out. And yeah, so tomorrow will be a little bit different. But finding stock and all those things, that's kind of done for the meantime. I've got plenty of stuff that I need to get rid of. And yeah, I'll come back to you later. So I had quite a lot of relaxing today. Deserved it. Currently watching France. Senegal are very good. There's been Senegal so far. USA did really well. Who was the other one? There was another team that did really well. Cape Verde was cool. You have to give it to them. Right. Now, I've only had 2 sales today. I'm quite annoyed at that. It's like my lowest day I've ever had, but it is what it is. Hopefully we get more before I wake up. But not that I was getting a little bit lazy, but all of my boxes and stuff that are down here, all of the stuff that I've recently been doing, I just put in one box on the top. So I'm going to organise my clothes a lot better, keep them properly organised, again, label it as I have been. So yeah, I've got all these cool bits that I posted today, that I listed today. They just need to go in the correct box. Where is it? That box there, that's what I've listed over the past like 3 days, so that's done. So I'm going to bring some more stuff in from the other room. And yeah, I'm just going to do that. I might come back to you, I'm not sure. If not, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, gang, and thank you again for watching. I do have one favour to ask every single viewer that has got this far. If you have been watching this series, like most of the way through, and you've got to this point right now, leave me a comment and let me know. Number 2, watch time is massive for me, and this series is performing quite well for me. The only thing I'm not getting is the views, which is fine. You have to do the thumbnails and title and SEO and stuff, and it's fine. I've just kind of started out. But I'm on a massive journey to try and monetize my YouTube, and every watch minute really helps me. I've got 477 watch hours out of 3,000, and I've got 365 days to achieve this. I started this in February, and only really since I've been doing this series have I been getting the watch time, so I have to say thank you so much. If you have any spare time, let's say you're going downstairs and you're cooking, if you can leave me on the TV just playing through, it will really help me a lot. And I know you might not want to pay the bill or whatever it is, but my way of letting you know that I'm very thankful for the watch time, for helping me out, being a fan. If you want any of my products, if you go on my eBay, my Depop, my Vinted, if there's anything that you want, send me send me a message and say, I've seen you on YouTube, I've come on here, I really like this item, and you are getting it highly, highly, highly discounted. And I mean highly discounted. So we can help each other out. Again, thank you. Again, like, if you haven't, subscribe. Leave me a comment. Again, tell me I'm a twat. Tell me I'm a spotty cunt. What is that? Oh, I didn't even notice that. Yeah, tell me I've got a spot. I really don't mind what it is. And yeah, thanks again. I'll see you on the next one. It's England's first game. Let's go.